guys, you are welcome to Amazing Creative Studio. In this video I will be showing you how you can download TikTok videos without watermark. Open your TikTok account, then select a video that you want to use as an example. So in this video we'll be using this man as an example. As you can see, now I click on share button. So once I click on this share button, I will scroll up and go and select more. So guys, so just scroll to the left side, scroll down to your left side. So click on more button. Once you click on more button, you'll be able to so now you'll be able to click on this copy. So click on the copy button at the top. Yes, this button, click on it. Once you click on this button, then you have to go back to your Chrome browser. If you are using Chrome browser or any other browser you are using, just go and select any of the browser you are using. So in this case I'm using Chrome browser. Then I will look for browser. Once it shows it, there will be a list of TikTok downloader, but in this video we are using Snaptik. So just select Snaptik. It is at the top side of the page. So just click on Snaptik. Then they call the link of the video that you have just copied on the TikTok. Just enter on this paste link here and paste the link inside. Once you paste the link inside, so just paste it, yes, okay. So now click on the download button. Once you click on the download button, you should be able to download the video without any watermark. So guys, click on any of the version you want to download, whether you want to download HD or you want to download the normal quality. You can download any of this quality. So now cancel this button. So you can see that the video has been downloaded. Now let's go to our that this video is not showing any TikTok watermark. So that is how you can download TikTok without watermark. So let's just go back to TikTok and download this comedy on TikTok directly and see if there will be watermark or there won't be any watermark on it. So just click on the share button again, click on save video, and once the video is downloaded, then go back to your phone gallery. Now the video has successfully been downloaded, so let's go back to our phone gallery. So click on your phone gallery and select the video from it. Just open it. As you can see that this video has a watermark, which simply means that you can successfully download TikTok without watermark from the Snaptik website as we have just shown you in the beginning. Thank you guys, I love you.